Hi everyone, today we have this platform called Later and this is the best social media management tool. Before we begin, you can head over to the link in the description to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses onto the platform. So let's just head over to the Later on social platform. So you can see now we have basically a really nice interface in here. So this could be used since it is for social media management. We are going to be needing this calendar display for the management of different type of schedules that we can create onto this. It is also highlighting the current time frame, and on the left side you can see you have calendar, media, conversations, analytics, and link in bio. So I have chosen the platform to link in bio designing purpose for specifically it is asking once you are setting up. Since I am currently logged in, so you will have an idea once you create your account. In the media section will be all of your media files, your tags, mentions, and you can see search by profile and much more. So you can incorporate your ID with this. You can see on the top we can add our Instagram in here. Once we do that, it will be simply showing up everything that we need to know. We can click on allow to simply get it started, and let's go back. And once I am onto the platform, you can see basically it is offering us to connect a social profile and get started. We have Instagram, Twitter or X, Facebook, we have LinkedIn, and much more. So you can see we have also conversations that we can simply add in here. For that we need to connect our account with this. We have our analytics, so this was be used to have a bird's eye view for everything that you're performing onto the site. Now if we talk about the reviews of the site, you can see in here people are saying very helpful tool to schedule social media content, later changed the game for our social media. Now you can head over to the link in the description to get yourself extended free trial on Later and exclusive bonuses. So make sure to check that out and do not miss out on that. Thanks so much. See you guys in the next video.